This is Node Package Manager, which we have briefly studied in the Explore JavaScript ecosystem. So guys, again coming with you. So when I initially issued this command to see the version of the Node Package Manager, which is the default package manager, it came up with this error. This file at this location of node installation, node C program files node.js/npm.psl means this is PowerShell is not digitally signed. You cannot run this script. So, and go to this article. So what I did is I went to this article on the Learn Microsoft site, which is about execution policies, and I browsed to here execution policy scope and how to set the execution policy. So what I did was, I'll tell you that you can get all the execution policy as a list with this command, and then you can change the execution policy following one of these commands. So what I did, I will show you. It will be helpful if you come across similar type of errors. I opened another PowerShell command through by plus terminal, and initially I got a list of execution policy, get execution policy, all signed, and then a list in that order. You can see here machine policy, user policy, process, current user, all are undefined, but the local machine is all signed. So all I did was set execution policy with the minus execution policy as this parameter, and remote sign, and scope is the current user. Okay, so once I did that, it changed the current user from undefined to remote signed. All right, and then when I issued the command again, npm version, it gave me the correct version 10.7.0. So now we can